Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Confident English Talk. In our previous video, we learned 15 daily use English sentences. Today, we will use the same sentences in a simple conversation. Listen carefully. Meeting someone for the first time. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. How are you?
I am fine too. Thank you.
You're welcome. What is your name?
My name is Monica. And yours?
My name is Peter. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am from Delhi, and I recently shifted to Mumbai. What about you?
I am from Hyderabad, and I have been living in Mumbai for more than 10 years.
Oh, that's nice. So you probably know this area very well.
Yes. If you need any help, just let me know.
Thank you so much.
How do you like this place so far?
It's good, but I am still learning my way around.
Don't worry. You will do great here. Are you working or studying?
I am working here. I recently joined a new company.
That sounds good. I hope you are enjoying your work.
Yes, I am enjoying it, but it is a little challenging.
Challenges are good. They help us learn new things.
Yes, I agree with you. Excuse me, I have to leave now. I have a meeting.
No problem. It was really nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. Let's meet again sometime.
Sure. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.